Hello, everyone. It's the Crypto Evangelist here, and I just finished reading a very interesting piece about TBC on Bitcoin.com. In my last video, I did a video about TBC, talking about some of their major products, like the Honey Bank feature that enables users to stake their cryptocurrencies for more TBC tokens. But today, I'm going to be talking about their featured article on Bitcoin.com, and if you care about where Bitcoin is going instead of just where the price is going, it's a good article to pause on because this is not another project promising faster transactions and nothing else. But what TBC is promising or proposing is something much heavier. They are not adding a layer on Bitcoin, they are rebuilding it. And this article that they featured on Bitcoin.com, which is the official website of the Bitcoin blockchain, is an interesting article. And I'm going to go through a preview of it, looking at some of the main features and why it's a huge one for TBC, because this means this is the second major featured article that the Bitcoin community has posted, and it shows that the Bitcoin official platform has acknowledged what TBC is building. So let's get into it. So looking at the article, some of the things that you would see is that in the introductory part, there is more or less like a description about TBC, letting readers and people that look at it know that TBC is not just any kind of product, but it's a hard fork of Bitcoin, and it's not a bridge, it's not a side chain, and it's not a plugin. And that matters because it keeps the same Bitcoin DNA, which is quite important. We have features like proof of work, which is the mining consensus system used on Bitcoin. We also have UTXO, and you have deflation features, which ensures that the project is mirroring what Bitcoin is doing. Although one of the things that it does is that it changes the engine. Even though Bitcoin is still running on tiny blocks that makes mining difficult, TBC increases the block size to 4 gigabytes, and that's not a marketing number, that's a performance decision from the TBC team, which ensures that TBC goes from a settlement layer into an execution layer, and that's a very different feature. And you can also see some quotes from Satoshi Nakamoto in the Bitcoin white paper that he published in 2008, where he says that Bitcoin is a purely peer-to-peer version of electronic cash, which would allow online payments to be sent directly from one party to another without going through a financial institution. TBC actually frames its development around this principle by prioritizing scalable on-chain capacity and efficient transaction processing and predictable transaction costs. I think that's quite important because when you look at some of the issues that Bitcoin initially had, it was majorly high transaction costs. And as I earlier said, they've maintained most of the features of Bitcoin, like the proof of work design, which is designed to protect users' privacy, but making sure that every transaction is broadcasted on the network, and also the utility of the exchanges made possible by Bitcoin will far exceed the cost of electricity used. That was what Satoshi Nakamoto said at that time. And TBC is reflecting on this policy by treating proof of work as a necessary security investment, even though we know that many blockchains are moving to proof of stake. But TBC is showing you that it's staying very close to the Bitcoin dream of having proof of works, miners, high decentralization. And if you look at the low transaction cost, as I earlier addressed, one of the reasons why it has been able to do this is by expanding the block capacity size and optimizing transaction validation. And scalability is very huge. It's something that many people have been trying to do. And Satoshi Nakamoto also observed it. He said, I'm sure that in 20 years there will be either a very large transaction volume or no volume. And TBC has been able to respond to this challenge by increasing the block size as they earlier did and implementing Bitcoin based implementation using UTXO. And I think UTXO is one of the biggest things that TBC has been able to do. For years, we were told that UTXO can't do smart contracts, but TBC disagrees with this by introducing the Bitcoin virtual machine, which brings in the ability for UTXO to be able to create unique smart contracts. So compared to the Ethereum virtual machine, the Bitcoin virtual machine enables smart contracts inside the UTXO. So each UTXO becomes its own container no global states, no congestion wars, and no shared memory. Because of this, every smart contract can run in parallel, ensuring fast transactions, fast ecosystem, and users can be able to build um, product or smart contracts on TBC. And one of the things that you get with TBC that you've not been that we were not able to get with Bitcoin is more or less like Bitcoin's architecture, but having UTXO smart contracts. This means that there's usability, there's payment, developers can create payment applications, gaming, pro, gaming protocols, DeFi, NFT inscriptions, all sort of things can actually be done on the TBC blockchain. And looking at it, it's just a unique ecosystem. One of the things that even caught my mind with TBC is positioning. It introduces reward payments, developer programs, compliance ready design, and this isn't just a regular crypto project that will come and go. They've been in existence for a while, and looking at what they are trying to do, they are trying to combine proof of work security, large block throughput, and UTXO-based programmability. This ensures that TBC provides a unique ecosystem for builders and a unique ecosystem for adopters by working on the Bitcoin blockchain, which is huge because Bitcoin still dominates the crypto market. If you check the market cap, Bitcoin still has over 1 trillion worth of market cap. So building on the Bitcoin layer is a smart move by TBC, and they've been able to do that. In my previous video, I talked about the Honey Bank feature, which you can watch on my TikTok. You can also see it. The video was also posted on YouTube, any platform that you decide to use, where you can see unique features on the Turing Bitcoin ecosystem. I'm also going to do more videos about it. I think I'm kind of interested in the ecosystem because of the fact that it is developer first. It's not just the normal crypto blockchain platforms that just come and promises heaven and earth. They're actually like doing the work. And if you see it, TBC has positioned itself as an ongoing experiment, extending Bitcoin's original payment focused vision through modern scalability, cost efficient transaction, and expanded on chain functionality. So here is my honest take. TBC is not a meme and it's not a pump chain. It's not for gamblers, it's infrastructure. If you're a developer looking to build scalable platforms, like you have a gaming infrastructure that you're looking to do, you are looking to build a DeFi platform, you are looking to build an NFT platform, you are looking to build any decentralized application, I feel TBC could be the one for you, especially if you are looking to harness Bitcoin's security, immutability. We know that the Bitcoin blockchain has not been hacked before, so you can actually get a lot of like value from building on TBC. And whether it succeeds or not will depend on the execution, but the design is serious. And if Bitcoin is going to evolve, it probably won't look like a prettier wallet. It's going to look like TBC, a unique ecosystem that enables people to do a lot within its ecosystem. And you can always like check their website to see the different features. They have the Bison swap, Onion swap, Shell swap. They also have the Turing wallet. You can also apply to join the mining program, but I think the mining program is currently limited. They have Telegram community and all that. So it's just basically if you're a builder, if you're an early holder, TBC is ideal for you. And they are quite like they are a serious blockchain platform. They're also listed on L Bank and MEXC, and you can get a lot of like activities from them. And the unique thing is just like there is a great ecosystem for builders like me that are looking to like build things within the Bitcoin ecosystem. Also, that's the come to the end of the video. So this video was just like previewing the latest feature of TBC on the bitcoin.com official platform, and you can see the spotlights, a lot of things to do within the TBC ecosystem. And until my next video, cheers everyone.